Ready to unlock the secrets of powerful writing? Understanding your purpose and audience are the keys. From crafting killer essays to penning epic stories, these superpowers will make your words shine like never before. All right, first things first, let's talk about purpose. Your purpose is the reason you're writing in the first place. It's your why. Are you trying to inform, entertain, persuade, or maybe just express your thoughts and feelings? For instance, if you're writing an informative essay about climate change, your purpose is to educate your readers about the topic. Incorporate facts and use the third-person point of view. That means no I's or you's. When you're in the business of informing, being objective is key, so there's no room for opinions. If you're instead writing a narrative essay, your creativity can go wild because you're essentially telling a story. And perhaps that story is your own if it is a personal narrative. Describe the people, places, and events of that story to draw the reader into a new world. And if you're writing a persuasive essay, your purpose is to convince them of your idea and entice them to your way of thinking. You'll use evidence like statistics and expert opinions to persuade the reader that your idea or opinion makes sense, and you'll also work to refute any opposing viewpoints. Now, let's talk about our second superpower, understanding our audience. Knowing who will be reading your writing is crucial because it helps you tailor your message to connect with them. Imagine writing a letter to your grandparents. You'll probably use a more formal tone and maybe explain some modern slang terms. But if you're sending a message to your best friend, you can be casual and use inside jokes. So different audiences require different approaches. You probably wouldn't write the same way to each of these people. So understanding their age, background, interests, and knowledge level helps you create writing that truly resonates with them. But you might be most interested in writing for a teacher, which is a type of academic writing. Elevate your scholarly game and nail that academic etiquette by using formal language, citing credible sources, and engaging in scholarly discourse. That's what will resonate with your teacher. Remember these key takeaways. 1. Your purpose is the reason for writing. It might be to inform, maybe to entertain, or to persuade. 2. Tailor your writing style and tone to match your audience's preferences. And 3. Know your audience's interests, background, and knowledge level. Now you're equipped with the superpowers of understanding purpose and audience. Use them wisely, and your writing will leave a lasting impact. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to join our awesome writing community. And don't forget to leave a comment sharing your super tips for understanding purpose and audience in writing.